Hi everyone! Welcome to demo number 2, Advanced Office Photoshop. The file name that we are going to use is number 2, Multiple Layers. In this demo, we will learn how to work with multiple layers and how to embed a picture. First step, let us go to our Layers panel and we will hide layer number 3. To do that, select layer number 3 and toggle the eye icon beside it. Next, we are going to rename layer 2 and layer 1. To do that, let us select layer 2, double-click, and then type sample layer 2. Now let us select layer 1, and then double-click. Let us rename this to sample layer 1. From here, you can press enter. So next, we notice that the picture in sample layer 2 is overlapping layer 1. So the question now is, what if we want to hide this behind layer 1? What we will do is we will rearrange the layers. So let us go back to the layers panel, hold sample layer 2 using your mouse, and then drag this below sample layer 1. Now notice that the picture in sample layer 1 is now overlapping sample layer 2. Now let us embed a picture.